you need, man? No, I don't want to die. God, please save me, God. Oh, no, don't kill me, dog. Dog, what do you want?
Help me!
Help you? How am I supposed to help you? Oh, this is your power bill. Bro, you paying $350 a month for electricity? And your wife is mad at you, and she wants you to make her happy. You gotta bring the bill down. Oh, bro, we're gonna get you a happy green money machine. Yeah, solar panels, man. It's gonna lower your bill. It's gonna add property value to your house, more equity in your home. We got the hardship program, so if you can't pay your bill, we'll pay your bill for you for up to 6 months. We got the solar jackpots, a monthly drawing. You win cash prizes. Use that money to pay your bill. We got referral fees, so if you know somebody else who needs some help like you, and you refer us, right, we'll pay you, dog. And we help you turn your home into a money-making machine, man. You think that'll make your wife happy? Oh, okay, cool, man. Help me up, dog. I thought you was gonna kill me, man. You just need some help. Thanks, dog. God damn, you ugly as hell, boy. Hey, guys, we're gonna go inside and get Charlie and his wife set up with the Happy Green money-making machine. To get yours, just click the link below to start saving money and turn your home into a money-making machine today. See you soon, guys.
Thanks for joining NorfStar Solar on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to see more from us and turn on your notifications to be notified when we upload new videos. Not sure how the solar process works? Watch me break down each step of the solar process to Charlie and his wife in this video.